In this video, I'll show you how to switch on and off the flashlight of your iPhone 13 and 13 mini. There's two ways. The simple way is to open your phone, and on the lock screen you can see here there's a flashlight. You just need to let it pressed a second. So let me show you. You don't need to keep it pressed more than that. And the light turns on and off right here. Now, if you're using the iPhone, what you can do is swipe from the top right corner down until you see this screen, and you can see a torch here. You just need to press on it and it will turn it on and off. What you can do also from this screen is adjust the brightness of the flashlight. And to do so, you just need to let it tap a second until you see this small menu appearing, and then you can tap and choose the brightness. So the more you add, the brighter it gets. See? So this was it. This is how easy it is to light up the torch of your iPhone 13 and 13 mini. Please like, subscribe, and well, I'll see you on the next one.